So first that 4 stairs, you know, and then the place, it was a pigeonhole.
Yeah.
And it was just, it was, and I get really claustrophobic. And I was like, ये नहीं हो सकता, you know, this is not right.
Actually read about the hotels like कि अच्छा ठीक है, Henry the Sixth ने बनाया वाइफ के लिए, we'll stay, and we were staying in the same suite जहाँ पर उसका भूत आता था.
एक बार मेरा प्लेन हवा में कुछ फीट नीचे गिर गया था, जो होता है टर्बुलेंस में.
गाड़ी भी हिल जाती है, प्लेन भी हिल जाता है. क्या
प्लेन तो यू नो ना व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, प्लेन जो फीट ड्रॉप बोलते हैं जिसको. तो मैं ही चिल्लाई थी सिर्फ. दिव्येंदु ने जब मुन्ना आई थिंक किया भी ना, आई डोंट थिंक पीपल थॉट कि अरे ये वाला कैरेक्टर भी कर सकता है. आई थिंक पीपल रियलाइज्ड ये भयंकर आदमी है, कुछ भी कर सकता है. आई डोंट वांट टू फाइट विद पीपल सेइंग कि नो मैं और हूँ, मैं आई कैन डू मोर. ये कहने से नहीं होता, ये खुद ब खुद हो जाएगा. मुझे तो कोई बिल्ली मासी बोलता है, मैं उसके जैसे बात करना शुरू कर देती. ओह माय गॉड, आई वॉक्ड इनटू दिस वन.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू फिल्मी बीट. दिस इज मुर्तज़ा इकबाल और आज मेरे साथ है लाइव हिल गई की टीम. वी हैव मुक्ति, दिव्येंदु, आरुषि और आप गुड़िया, बिटिया, कौन एक्चुअली?
खुशा.
So guys, first of all, I want to start by asking you कि भाई इतने सारे एक्टर्स को साथ में लाए हो आप, किसने सबसे ज़्यादा टैंट्रम स्ट्रोक किया है सेट्स पे?
विनय पाठक.
Nice. Where I think
जो नहीं है उसका नाम ले लो.
No, I think हम लोग बहुत fortunate रहे. I got such a great cast. किसी ने कोई टेंट्रम थ्रो नहीं किए, बल्कि सब लोगों ने बहुत कोऑपरेट किया. हम लोग बहुत डिफिकल्ट लोकेशंस पे शूट कर रहे थे. एंड व्हेन यू आर शूटिंग इन उत्तराखंड यू शुड नो कि आपके पास सनलाइट बहुत कम टाइम के लिए होती है. तो दे वर स्टार्टिंग वेरी अर्ली मॉर्निंग एंड उसको टाइम पे ख़त्म होना पड़ता था. उसके पहले देयर लॉट ऑफ क्लाउड पैचेस एंड दिस एंड दैट, बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस होते थे. बट एवरीबडी कोऑपरेटेड वेरी वेल एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
But are you guys like a morning person? Easy था.
Also,
because like
Murtaza, also these are off-camera questions.
Yeah.
किसने tantrum throw किया?
maybe
Don't expect people to be that honest.
We'll DM that to you, no? बाकी इनके आंसर से सन ने टैंट्रम थ्रो किया. दूसरे दिन ही शूट पे कुछ तो हेल स्टॉर्म आ गई थी जिसकी वजह से हमें शूट रोकनी पड़ी थी. सो वेदर ने टैंट्रम्स थ्रो किए.
करेक्ट. सो एज शी सेड कि अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठना पड़ता था. ऑफ कोर्स हिल स्टेशन पे ना वो जल्दी हमें वो सन देखने नहीं मिलता है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ थिंग. हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज इट टू गेट अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग एंड शूट?
आसान तो नहीं था यार. आई मीन इट यूज्ड टू बी डैम कोल्ड. और उसमें सुबह जल्दी उठना, यू रियलाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सन. यहाँ पे हम लोग धूप कह के यू नो वी गो इन आवर एसी कंपार्टमेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. बट वहाँ पे जब सूरज आता है एंड यू फील दैट वार्मथ ना, वो मतलब लगता है यही है, दिस इज लाइफ. सो आई रिमेंबर आई यूज्ड टू हैव माय कोकोनट ऑयल और मैं उसको विंडो पे रखता था. तो वो, और सुबह शूट पे जाने से पहले आई वुड डू लाइक अ क्विक एक्सरसाइज लाइक अ 20-25 मिनट थिंगी. और जब तक मैं वो करता था तो वो धीरे धीरे पिघलता था सूरज की ताप से. सो दैट या बट या वाज़न्ट इजी यार, बट फन.
You got used to it, I think, by the 40 दिन का स्केट था. By the 39th day you got used to it.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Correct. 40th day पे like perfect shot.
40th day पे everyone was on time. 7:30 का call time, 7 o'clock we were there.
Correct. What about you, Mukti?
No, loved it, yeah. Like I'm a mountain person. I enjoy. हवा साफ है, किसको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा?
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun.
You know, of course, I would like to know कि personally worst और best experiences अगर मैं होटल की बात करूँ तो वो क्या होंगे? Worst ones and the best ones.
Worst ones
would be stinky toilets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
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 I think
Yeah.
I had one
Yes.
there only.
Yeah.
This is what we are.
Well, worst and the
fresh
most
in our
recent
memory.
one.
Very
Yeah.
fresh. What?
Best one?
Best, you say?
I'm also thinking which one would be the best one.
Like if you have a nice clean linen,
Yeah.
you know, when you enter the
Yeah.
room and it's been nicely
Very
serviced. It's that's just
and
freshness का
towels.
feeling जो होता है ना. The carpets should be clean,
Yeah.
no stink from there. So I think that, yeah.
मेरा वर्स्ट अभी जो मुझे याद आ रहा है, मैं इटली में त्रास्तवेर करके एक जगह पे एक एयरबीएनबी में रुकी थी. मैं उसको भी काउंट कर रही हूँ. सो उसमें एक टॉयलेट था जो हमें पिक्चर्स में छोटा लगा था पर वहाँ पे जाके मुझे पता लगा कि वो है ही नहीं। सो वो इतना सा, जितना मैं अभी आपको दिखा रही हूँ, इतना ही टॉयलेट था जिसमें देयर वाज अ फ्लश एंड अ शावर। तो आपको फ्लश के ऊपर खड़े होके सीट नीचे करके शावर लेना पड़ रहा था। But it was the best also because it was in the most happening place of Rome.
City center.
हाँ, Trastevere is where like the culture is,
Yeah.
so we didn't mind it.
Yeah.
So the worst very quickly became best
Best,
because I met some wonderful people there.
This happened with me in Paris.
Okay.
So again, city center. You
Yeah.
want to stay. You know
Yeah,
near.
yeah.
And so we booked this place, and it looked very nice and lovely and clean. You reach there, and it's on the 4th floor. There is no lift.
Yeah.
And we Indians, we carry our big suitcases.
Yes.
So first that 4 stairs, and then the place, it was a pigeonhole.
Yeah.
And it was and I get really claustrophobic.
Yeah.
And I was like, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता, it's this is not right. So my wife Akanksha, she was like, नहीं हो जाएगा आराम से, हमको ज़्यादा time room पे बिताना ही नहीं है, we'll be going out, it's so this thing. But yeah, it happens in Europe. Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that happens. a lot.
always check the room size.
Right.
Always, that's the key.
Yeah.
And check the history also, because a lot of places are haunted.
Oh God.
And also
I have already had
in-
my haunted hotel experience in Kodaikanal.
Yeah.
So yeah. Even you?
Yeah, I just spoke about it. But this Trastevere one is I like to share. That's the one I want to end with.
I had a similar experience in Rome, and I had to take really big suitcase, like up in a spiral,
Ah.
4 floors
I think
up.
that kind of we had
Very
also
bad.
seen in the movie Queen. वो उसमें
Yeah.
कंगना से पुल करते हुए
Yeah.
लेके जा रही है. I think that's Paris only.
Yeah.
That's a reality of
Yeah.
Europe.
Yeah.
But now I'm a pro. Like to book Airbnbs, to check the list, there has to be lift written.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People who are watching this, always check lift.
Yeah.
If there is no lift, please don't book it.
I have a habit of going to historical places and staying into such sort of property जहाँ पे मतलब कुछ historical relevance हो. So this time I booked a Thornbury Castle in London, and we didn't actually read about the hotels like कि अच्छा ठीक है, Henry the Sixth ने बनाया wife के लिए, we'll stay, and we were staying in the same suite जहाँ पर उसका भूत आता था.
Wow.
And we really had a terrible experience. So next day we were running and we were reading all the reviews कि सब लोगों ने वो किया. So better you read it, the reviews, and then go to.
वहीं
such
से इस
property.
शो का आइडिया आया था ऋषि को, लाइफ हिल गई. तो थैंक यू सो मच दैट दिस एक्सपीरियंस हैपेंड एंड दिस शो हैपेंड एंड वी गॉट
I thank
एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
the Henry VI for this.
और
Yes.
हमारे जब हम उत्तराखंड में शूट कर रहे होते थे तो हमको कैजुअली ऐसे लेपर्ड्स वगैरह क्रॉसिंग में दिख जाते थे. So,
हाँ,
yeah,
और
that was nice.
भूतनिया, सो इट वाज अ वेरी कॉमन साइट.
Bhutnia.
Yeah, we were very okay. I think people
Yeah.
I think that was a
coexist.
crew only.
Sorry. I didn't want to mention that.
Thank God he didn't see कि मैंने without makeup देख लिया था सबको.
But like he will not go for the
नहीं, क्रू में
obvious
सिर्फ
joke.
एक्टर्स ही नहीं होते यार.
हाँ.
Yeah, let's be
And-
democratic.
Democratic.
He will. Devendu will not. That is an obvious joke. कि
Yeah.
लड़की को makeup के बिना. That is a lazy joke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Devendu will not go for the lazy joke.
Never ever.
Yeah.
Nice.
He'll have more nuance in his joke.
Correct. Of course, we know that. We have seen him
I mean,
making us laugh out loud for many years now.
yeah, that is true.
You know, of course, शो का नाम है लाइफ हिल गई. In a positive way and negative way, anywhere कोई एक moment जहाँ पे actually life आप लोग की हिल गई थी.
Tough one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
So
answering this in
unique.
all the interviews. शो का नाम लाइफ हिल गई, मुझे तो पूछना ही पड़ेगा, सबने
Yeah.
पूछा. See, these are good actors, you know.
एक बार मेरा प्लेन हवा में कुछ फीट नीचे गिर गया था, जो होता है टर्बुलेंस में.
गाड़ी भी हिल जाती है, प्लेन भी हिल जाता है.
बट
क्या
प्लेन तो यू नो ना व्हाट आई एम
Yeah,
टॉकिंग
yeah,
अबाउट.
yeah.
प्लेन
Okay,
जो
yeah.
फीट ड्रॉप
हाँ,
बोलते
हाँ,
हैं जिसको. तो मैं ही चिल्लाई थी सिर्फ. सो क्लियरली मेरी लाइफ उस टाइम काफी हिल गई थी.
और किसी की नहीं.
किसी ने एक्चुअली इतना चिल्लाया नहीं. आई वाज वेरी शॉक्ड.
Yeah.
बट मैं ही सबसे ज़्यादा करके चिल्लाई थी. सो दैट फीट ड्रॉप मैं नहीं भूल सकती बिकॉज उस टाइम बहुत कुछ हिल गया था. सो दैट टाइम मोस्ट रिसेंट.
What about you?
Mine when I came to Mumbai, I would say. It was very different from the north and the place you come from. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती थी. तो मतलब आप मीटिंग में जा रहे हो तो लोग पूछते थे व्हाट इज़ द एजेंडा. So I felt really bad. I was like, what are you asking me? Like, why are you coming? Indirectly, you know. So I was like, okay, that's a courtesy meeting. You wanna come and meet. So but वो gradually फिर लाइफ हिलनी बंद हो गई क्योंकि फिर हम समझ गए कि हमने भी लोगों से पूछना शुरू कर दिया व्हाट इज द एजेंडा फॉर द मीटिंग. So yeah.
What about you?
I think this Paris experience only. That was really I still can't get over it, and yeah, man, that was really tough to just be there. But it was really nice, and I mean not taking away anything from it, but there was life hill gayi. There was quite life hill gayi.
Correct. What about you?
So I went to Argentina in 2014. Everyone asked us to. I went there for Fear Factor.
Yeah.
So we were like some 12 contestants, and we were asked to leave our bags in one corner. And they said that one production person will be there and will take care of the bags, and didn't.
Oh.
Chori ho
And that bag had passport, and I I am not from a background where my parents will gift me LVs and Gucci's and all that. And to that trip, years of accumulating some funny things in my life, I call them funny things now, because I'm not attached to any of these luxurious whatever
Yeah.
Materialistic.
bags and materialistic, and each and every thing was in that.
Ay, God.
You know, the like the shades and the wallets and the bag itself and everything. And last thing I thought about was passport bhi to tha. And then how many rounds of embassy and all that I had to make. My life was actually hillified and how.
लगेज हिल गया.
Yeah.
Right. You know, I have watched a few episodes of the show, so that's why I called you Bitty and Gudiya. How will I come to know
How does he know
that?
this reference?
यार अभी तक मैंने मुक्ति का डांस नहीं देखा है. हाउ हैज दिस बीन कि यार इतना मैंने आई थिंक 3 एपिसोड्स देख लिया और उसमें मुझे मुक्ति का डांस देखने क्यों नहीं मिला है?
I think we
And
You were
credits में.
expecting me to dance in this.
या व्हाई?
है एंड क्रेडिट्स में है.
अच्छा.
लास्ट एपिसोड एंड क्रेडिट्स में.
Item song.
Yeah.
on this ये देख रहे हो ना आप ये आइटम सॉन्ग.
अच्छा. But like, wasn't there anywhere in your mind that we have such an amazing dancer? Maybe we could.
No, of
incorporate
course
something
we
like
are
that?
making second season for that only.
You know, people like you, I think because of you, Tiger has been doing flips. You do not expect anything else from a person. Let them
But
do
I'm
other
not
things
saying.
also.
I mean, of course, if you are acting, but there's something that is
Yeah.
your stronger point. I mean, audience will expect from
So
you.
sweet.
That's something like that, right?
Yeah. But
But
maybe
no.
next season.
Yeah. To break your heart, no, she's not dancing in this
But
one.
I think-
She's making us dance.
Yeah.
At least me.
And I think if skill की बात करें, I think Mukti has learned a whole new like dialect. I feel I'm saying the right word.
Accent. I think.
Accent more than dialect, sorry. An accent for the show, which is not an easy skill to pick. जैसे मैं भी कोशिश कर रही थी वहाँ पे सब लोग क्योंकि ये हैं अन्नपूर्णा मैम, अन्नपूर्णा सोनी हैं एंड हेमंत सर हैं, इन सब ने अपने एक्सेंट पे काम किया था, which is that गढ़वाली accent that they want to nail. So I think that's what she has picked, which I think she's done wonderfully. जो स्क्रिप्ट में ना डांस फोर्स फिट हो ही नहीं सकता था. लाइक आई थिंक हिमा की आँख में नहीं है, पर शायद हम कहीं आपको नाचते हुए दिखें.
हाँ.
Let's leave them with that.
Yeah.
Let's leave them with that.
Technically, yes. there
Yes,
is.
you know,
Yeah.
and all of us. So you will find joy in that sequence for sure.
Cool. So now, जैसे आपने मुझ पे पिन पॉइंट किया, मैं उसके बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ to all three of you like this, कि how difficult has been to break that mindset of the people in a way, जैसे आपने कहा कि you are more than dancing.
Yeah.
For you, I'll come to you with another way that way कि अभी भी मैं अगर लाइफ हिल गई के ट्रेलर पे जाता हूँ ना, लोग सिर्फ मुन्ना भैया कमेंट कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
And for you also it's like कि to make people understand कि मैं वो रील से ज़्यादा हूँ.
हाँ.
How difficult has been to break that point?
Honestly, I think he has proved it with Railwayman.
Thank you.
And he has proved it with
Madgaon.
Madgaon Express. I mean, he can do any and every genre. And I think I think Panchnama is something where that gave a platform to 3 young individuals, and everyone was rooting for them. It felt like apne hi college ke hain, you know.
Yeah.
And to have that apnapan, by the way, requires quite a skill set, and also a lot of craft work, a lot of I think camaraderie work, and it's stemming from there and years of experience. He has really helped me a lot. Before every scene, I used to be like I used to go like, you know how you go to the first bencher to cross check it. He's like, सही कर रहे हैं, सही कर रहे हैं." So he used to always help. So I don't think he has to break any stereotype. He
He
has
has to
broken
prove
it. He is in a
nothing.
very comfortable space right now.
दिव्येंदु ने जब मुन्ना आई थिंक किया भी ना, आई डोंट थिंक पीपल थॉट कि अरे ये वाला कैरेक्टर भी कर सकता है. आई थिंक पीपल रियलाइज्ड ये भयंकर आदमी है, कुछ भी कर सकता है, which is the reason why when he's saying in interviews that I have not been offered I have not been offered anything in the same same character as Munna. It's because I think people just realize, oh man, the it's endless what he can do, which is the reason why we saw him in Madgaon. I saw him in Madgaon and I,
Hilarious film.
man, like really, right?
I've continuously laughed for 2.5 hours, like madly.
I was so in it, right? It was so funny, so brilliantly written, and like I was like, from playing an alpha, he was suddenly this person who wants to be an alpha so bad, right? So I think it was just so wonderful. I really enjoyed him in Madgaon Express.
Thank you guys, you're very
So I
kind.
feel like ये इसके लिए तो सवाल है ही नहीं, इनके लिए, सॉरी, इसके लिए कैसे बोल सकती हूँ मैं इसके लिए, ये इनके लिए तो सवाल है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
तो फिर आप जो जवाब दीजिए.
हमको इसका जवाब देना जरूरी है.
Are you thinking about?
नहीं,
these
I
things
don't
when you're
think.
acting?
Yeah, I don't think this is not. I don't want to disassociate with what I've done. It's I've achieved it, you know. So why should I discard it? It's something I'm proud of, and if nothing happens for me, at least I have this. So I don't want to completely disassociate with what I have done, because I've done this on my own, and but if I'm able to acquire this also, it'll be great. I don't want to fight with people saying कि no, मैं और हूँ, मैं I can do more. ये कहने से नहीं होता, ये खुद ब खुद हो जाएगा. किसी जिस दिन ये ट्रांजिशन होगा, ये उनकी आंखों में होगा, मैं नहीं कर सकती ये. So I don't want to disassociate with what I have built. I just want to be able to do an honest job in this show. That's it.
Correct. And you know, as you're chatting with you, I have to say, whenever I'm having a dull day, I go and watch your videos. The vaccine one is the favorite. I think मैंने वो 10,000 से ज़्यादा बार देख लिया होगा. It's like my favorite. It's hilarious.
Thank you so much, and I am very proud of what we've done, and all creators of this country, what we've done. Never going to discard that side of my life, but I hope I'm able to do something more. That's it.
Correct.
Well, I think for every actor or artist, you know, some people would really enjoy consolidating that. You know, मैं ये करता हूँ, and we know a lot of actors. You've been doing just this, a particular genre of filmmaking. Nothing wrong with that also. You know, it's your personal call. You want to break the mold, you know, do something else also, it's fine. But yeah, you can't really question your audience for liking you for a certain kind of a character. You know, if they rejoice it, I mean, why question good things?
Exactly. That's true. मुझे तो कोई बिल्ली मासी बोलता है, मैं उसके जैसे बात करना शुरू कर देती हूँ. Yeah, he's absolutely right.
Correct.
Beautifully put actually.
Yeah.
So as you said कि audience के लिए जो like करते हैं, they have missed you a lot as Munna भैया. What do you have to say to your fans? Like I'm not joking. मैंने खुद comments बहुत पढ़े हैं कि we wanted him.
Yeah, it was honestly, it was really emotional because see, one thing is that you get flattered by, you know, when people miss you and they say you things, but I received some like really emotional messages where, you know, it's
even on our pages.
yeah
Please tell him.
Please, yeah.
that it's just, you know, they mean it. They and that's when you realize the power of this medium we are in.
Yeah.
That, you know, that people really think that there is a particular character living in a parallel world and they want to see him or her again. It's just very humbling. It was, for me, it was very, very emotional. Like one day, the few reels they make and they put like a emotional sort of a गाना ना. So एक reel को देख के मैं खुद को ही अपने आप को देख के emotional हो गया. I was like, you know, वो something like लौट आओ और कुछ ऐसा कोई एक हिंदी गाना type वो कुछ वैसा. And but you understand यार, ये ना बहुत genuine space से आ रहा है. You know, it's not just there to, you know, just tag you in a reel. They really mean it. So that is.
Right. So before I wrap up, जैसा भी आपने बिल्ली मासी बोल दिया है, so tell the audience in the बिल्ली मासी style to watch Life हिल गई है.
Oh my God! I walked into this one.
I think that's a camera.
इसमें?
इसमें.
Okay.
हेलो हाय
Right into it.
आनंदा से बात कर रही हूँ एक कोई शो बनाया है मेरे रिश्तेदारों ने बेचारे बड़े गरीब हो गए हैं क्या नाम बता रहे थे देव और
कल्की?
ककड़ी देव और ककड़ी देख लीजिए इनका शो आ रहा है बस डिज्नी हॉटस्टार पे एंड नहीं पसंद आया तो जुत्ती आई डोंट केयर यू नो मेरा मैं सेट हूँ आई एम वेरी हैप्पीली रिटायर्ड शिवोहम
But yeah, please do watch our show. It's a very
Ah,
beautiful
yes.
show made with so much heart.
And it's a family show, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
मजा आएगा देख के, सब साथ में देखना.
आई थिंक आप हमारा जिस तरह हम बात कर रहे हैं हमारी कमांडरी को देख के बता सकते हैं कि हमें बहुत मजा आया है इस शो पे. So please watch it and you promise me that you will share an Instagram story on your personal Instagram if you like the show.
I'll do that. I'll surely do that.
It's a deal.
And you look for the scene where
You're
Viola
dancing?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Correct. So all the best for the show and
Thank
thank you
you.
so much for being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.